on the phone line. Karti, we see Rahul Gandhi has received bail. He's made a comment that may affect the sentiments of the Modi community at large. Modi's surname does not limit to Prime Minister Modi or a few others that Rahul Gandhi may have been referring to. There's a whole other community that really finds credibility in their hard work. And this kind of comment by Rahul Gandhi, who may have influence among a huge population, is hurtful, don't you think?
No, not at all. General rhetorical speech during a campaign can't be termed defamatory. I'm very surprised that the court has found Mr. Rahul Gandhi guilty in this. The government is using an outdated colonial law to silence a vocal political opponent. This is the state of democracy in India. I mean, I'm absolutely certain that Mr. Gandhi will appeal this sentence and he will triumph in a higher court of law.
But, you know, one could only imagine that if a statement was made, you know, Karti, the kind of protest that we see within the Congress itself, if another Neta had made a similar comment like this, would we see the entire Congress machinery launching this large-scale protest?
If another person had made a comment as innocuous as this, would the government have launched a criminal defamation case and in court? That shouldn't we be answering that question? Is this something which judicial time should be wasted and a malicious prosecution launched on this? This is clear malicious prosecution and wastage of judicial time and resources. Is this what a government should be doing?
You know, Rahul Gandhi has evoked Mahatma Gandhi, saying that my religion is the truth. I will use non-violent methods to achieve that truth. You know, and he reacts to a conviction from court of a defamatory sentence that he made, which could evoke violence.
This is not defamatory. This did not provoke violence. Was there any violence post that?
There wasn't, but a comment that was made, certainly, see, it is a Modi community he's referring to. If it was any other community, you don't know how sentiment or volatile the situation could have been then.
Let us not have a media trial here. In my opinion, and a rhetorical, innocuous speech made in the campaign trail is not defamatory. Come what may, the court has found him guilty, and I am only saying that judicial time has been wasted in a malicious prosecution. Mr. Gandhi will come out unscathed in an appeal in the higher judiciary. The more they target Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the Congress party will unite under him, and the Congress party will only get stronger.
Karti, there is no question of an apology then?
We've gone through why should Mr. Rahul Gandhi apologize? What? What is this apology for? I mean, let us be very, very clear. The government wants to distract this country from more pressing issues. That is why this targeting is happening.
Here you have Mallikarjun Kharge saying that the courts are fixed. That's also a huge allegation on the judiciary.
I do not want to cast aspersions on anybody who's holding a judicial position. But all I can say is this is malicious prosecution. An outdated law is being used to target a vocal political opponent. And then this is the state of Indian democracy today.
So you're saying a comment made while on a campaign trail should not be taken seriously then?
But I mean, this is an innocuous rhetorical political speech which was made. I mean, what was the fallout of the speech? What was the fallout? You in the media, have you chronicled the fallout of this? I mean, speeches are made, rhetorical speeches are made to make a political point, and the political point was made. And now to use an old, outdated colonial law, this is a government which always says that they want to move away from the colonial past. In fact, they use colonial tools far more than the imperial British ever did to target political opponents.
All right, Karti, thank you very much for joining us on that. We've heard a Congress voice. Karti Chidambaram says, why should Rahul Gandhi apologize? This is largely the sentiment that the Congress shares on this matter. While the Modi community itself seem hurt and a case was filed, maximum punishment awarded in this case, a defamatory case, 2 years of prison. And he's got bail now.